Hello everyone. Now I'm going to teach you how you can write a program on Arduino software. This particular software you can access through the Arduino website, which is free of cost. Now here there are the few commands which you have to learn, and I'm going to tell you each step by step. This particular program which you are seeing is for the 3 LED which is attached to the Arduino board, and we have to prepare a blinking pattern. So how we can proceed? Here the int refers the integer. Red, there is a red, yellow, green. 3 LEDs are attached to it, red, yellow, green, and red equals to 4. That means the fourth pin is the red LED is attached with the fourth pin. Likewise, the yellow LED is attached with the sixth, that is your sixth number of pin. This green LED is attached with the seventh number of pin. What this 4, 6, 7? These are the default pins which is there in the Arduino board. Now I'm going to show you. So here you can see there is a pin number 4, pin number 6, and pin number 7. So these are the default pins, and where you have attached the LED lights. So coming back to this program, there is a section known as void setup. This particular is basically the preparation which you are going to do. The Suppose red, yellow, green LEDs are there, so these are the output pins. That means this will blink or glow. It is not sensing anything. They are just giving the light, or the light which is coming out of that. So the preparation will begins like this. There is a serial dot begin, which is actually the baud rate. 9600 refers to the BPS, that is your bits per second, the data transmission in the Arduino board, and to the serial monitor which is there on the right hand side. So serial monitor is like the virtual monitor where the program runs, and you can see all the program which is executing process step by step. So here there is a command known as pin mode. Pin, that is your red. You already have assigned fourth number of pin with the red LED, so you can write red, or instead of red you can write 4 also. Both are correct. And this is what, this is a input pin or output pin. This is your output pin. Why? Because the output signal given by the Arduino will through that your LED start blinking. There is a pin mode yellow or green. Suppose if you are using an IR sensor, infrared sensor, so infrared sensor is detecting the obstacle, so it will be act as an input signal to the Arduino board. So here you have this pin mode red comma output. So here the for each and every statement you end with the semicolon. This particular software is a case sensitive. That means if and the command, as you write the command, it will change its color. Like suppose if I delete this T, the color changes to black. That means there is no specified term like output. So when you add the T, that is output, so it will take that, okay, the red number or the fourth number of pin is your output. Similarly, you specify the red, yellow, green as an output pins. Now there is a void loop, which is the main part of this program. Void loop is basically the executable part. Here you write the program step by step. Here you have defined each and every pins, what sensor you have attached at what port point, and in the void loop there is the program which you want the Arduino should perform. Here there is a command known as digital write. Again, in the bracket there is a red, so instead of red you can write 4 also. Both are correct because you have assigned it the fourth number of pin as red. So high, digital write high, that means your fourth number of pin will give a signal of 5 voltage, so your LED start blinking, or your LED start glowing. Now there is a second line known as serial dot print in. Serial dot print in, it is not in, it is ln, sorry. Serial dot print ln, it is actually the print line. If you don't write this step, the serial monitor which is on the right hand side, it will not show anything. That means your LED will glow, but in the serial monitor it will not show that your LED is blinking or not. Then when your red pin number 4 is, that is your red color, red LED is glowing, so the other two LED, what is the position of it? There is in the low condition. Again you can see that it is a case sensitive, and if you write in the small letters, so there is no command like that, so you have to write it in the capital letters, that is your low. If you write it here the high, that means your fourth number of pin and the sixth number of pin, that is your yellow, both will be in the high, that means both will start glowing. But the position of green is low, that means it will not glow. Then there is the delay. Delay in the bracket 1000 is basically the timing for which your LED should glow. 1000 millisecond. So 1000 millisecond, that means for the 1 second your LED, red LED will glow and yellow and green will be in the off position. Now after 1 second, you want your program to run as the yellow LED should be in the high position, that means your yellow LED should glow, and the red and the green LED should be in the low position, that means you're off. And for the 1 second, that is 1000 millisecond, so for the initial first second your red LED will glow, the other two are in the off position. Similarly, for the next 1 second your yellow LED will glow and the other two will be in the off condition. So likewise you can create a pattern by changing this timing. Suppose if I change it to 100, that means your 100 millisecond, that is 0.1 second. So red LED will glow for 0.1 second, and then for the 1 second your yellow LED will glow. And for so after putting these two slashes, the statement which you can see here, these are the comments. So that means if you attach two slashes, so here you can write anything which is not readable by the program. This is for our uh, feasibility, so that we can understand what this line basically tells us. So that means I can write it here anything which will not be read by the program. So red LED will glow and other two in the mean time will be in off position. So this will be end with this points. So likewise you can add any comments after you have written this statement block, which will be read by your Arduino Uno board. So this is all about your blinking pattern of the three LEDs in the Arduino Uno board. Thank you.